Hey, my peeps, let's make some cute shirt cookies in honor of Father's Day. You know, fathers always say they don't get treated right, and mothers get treated like queens, as we should. But, well, we can't leave the dads out, so let's fake bake some cookies for them. So here we go. I'm going to just cut out a round cookie in the cookie dough color, and then I got a red clay, but you can use any color you want, red, yellow, blue. This is going to be the shirt part. So I'm going to just put that on top of your cookie dough base, and then we're going to work on that part, and that's where we're going to make our shirt. So you're just going to get a piece of clay out, and you're just going to like kind of roll it like in a log, because you want it, you're going to need a long piece, and you're just going to cut out a nice long piece as you see here, and you're going to cut off the edges and make them nice and even. So now you just gonna, this is gonna be the shirt collar. I kind of did it a little thin. You could do it a little thicker than that, and all you're gonna do is like raise it up, but bring the edges, the two edges together and flatten them so that it make a collar. Okay, and this is gonna be a button down shirt, so you're gonna make another strip. That's where we're gonna put our buttons on. So you kind of want it a little thin, but while you're doing this, you could take off a piece so you can make a pocket. Okay, just cut off a square piece and make a pocket, and get a little tool and just make a line in the pocket, and then continue with your buttons, with the buttons for your shirt, where it's gonna be the little strip that's gonna be the buttons on your shirt. Now I was trying to pull it out, and I kind of made mine uneven, so just be careful with that. And so then I'm trying to even it out because I did make it a little crooked, but that's okay. Y'all know how I feel. Just keep it moving. So I got some white paint and a dotting tool, and I'm just going to put on the button. Now you could roll out little balls of clay if you want to, but I didn't want to do that, so I just got some white clay and put on some buttons. Now you can make these buttons in black. After I did white, I should have made it in black, but you know, it is what it is. And there go your shirt cookies. Those are too easy to make. Talk to you later. Hope you like them and you make some. Bye.